guys, you're welcome back to my channel. This is Blombard Airdrop. I'm going to show you how to mine Blombard Airdrop. And one good thing about this airdrop is that you can withdraw it instantly. But before you be able to withdraw, you will have at least 5 referrals so that you can withdraw. And you can withdraw it to your MetaMask or Trust wallet or Bitget wallet, any Web3 wallet of your choice. And once you withdraw it, right now, the token is not yet verified. You still need to wait for it to be verified before you can now swap to USDT. Now, how are you going to do it? This is the interface. I'll drop the link in the description of this video. Use that link to join, and also subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed, and join my WhatsApp for more updates. So here is the interface. You can tap on this screen. It's still tapping. You tap to get USDT. This project is all about having a USDT, and over here you will see tokens on that token. So these are the coins we are earning is BLM, that is Blombard BLM, and here these are the tokens. These are the tokens that exchanges in partner with this Blombard. The first exchange is the CoinMarketCap, the CoinGecko, the Binance, and BNB Blockchain Explorer. So all these things are the exchanges in partnership with this thing. We have the crypto exchange whereby you can trade and do any form of transaction here on this app. So this is all about, this is just a app whereby you can trade, you can sell your token to any USDT or any coin of your choice. So that is all the what you will find in this session. Over here, if you click on this N down there, here is what you can do. This one to Bitcoin guess game. You can guess that Bitcoin is going to drop or is going to increase, something like that. And you can also stake your BLM, that's the Blombard coin that you have. You can stake it to get more reward. So if you tap on this Bitcoin get game, let's just tap on start. So this is what you are supposed to see. This is the interface. You are going to bet that Bitcoin is going to go up or that is going to go down with you, and you are betting it with your Blum point. So before you bet, make sure that you have understand what you're supposed to do to avoid losing your coin. And right here, you can now see tasks. You have tasks to perform. You have tasks to perform. The daily check-in, the weekly reward. The weekly reward is to check if at least one of your messages replied or reacted in each day continuously in 7 days. You are going to be posting on their channel. Look at their channel community link. And once your messages are being replied or reacted for 7 days, you are going to get $10. That is the reward for that particular one. So and right here, you are going to do the task. So you need to connect your Ton wallet. Tap on connect Ton wallet and click on connect. Okay, my wallet is now connected, and you are going to get 5 USD for connecting your wallet. That is it for the task session. There are other tasks to do to sign up reward, invite friends, and you are getting points. Once you finish all this, so join them on Instagram and X, and to add referral link and Blum to your profile daily. You'll be getting $1 daily. So just to do your task. And how do you withdraw? You can now see under the task, you see first withdraw and exchange. Tap on it. You need to withdraw your token. Before you withdraw your token, if you want to withdraw, the first thing to do is whichever point you have. If you want to withdraw, just click on claim right here. Tap on the claim. So put the amount of Blombard point, that's BLM points that you have. Click on mass if you are withdrawing everything. Then click on claim. So I don't have enough to withdraw. That's why. And two, I don't have 5 referral. Like I say, you need 5 referral before you'll be able to withdraw. It's very simple. And once you put the amount, you click on claim, and you will now find it on your exchange. If you go back here, you can now see exchange. Tap on this exchange. Okay, it's going to open the exchange session whereby you will now see that your BLM points. Now, once it's open like this, you click on wallet. click on this wallet. You can see wallet right here, and see the belong point that you just claim from the app. You will see it right here. You will see the points right here, and from here now, if you click on it, if you have the points already, just click on it, click on the Blom. You are going to withdraw. Click on this withdraw right here. Here is going to ask you for the Binance Smart Chain. You have to go to your Trust wallet and copy your Binance Smart Chain, or you import the contract address of BLM to your Trust wallet or Bitget wallet. Then you copy the BLM address. Once you paste it here, you put the amount of BLM that you are withdrawing. You now click on submit, and you definitely get your token on the exchange that you are withdrawing it to. So this is basically how to farm this project. And if you have not started, I'll be linking in the description of this video. You download link and join. This is a fast airdrop whereby you can withdraw instantly, no stress, without stress. So if you find this video helpful, please do well to like, share and subscribe, and also join my WhatsApp for more updates. Thank you guys.